Hey guys, this is Russ Horn, and I've just opened a sell trade on the Australian dollar US dollar 1 minute time frame. As usual, all the rules of the rapid results method system were met. We opened the short trade and we're good. So I've got confirmation from the DPI indicator here. There is a lot of other stuff going on in the charts that you can't see, but you can see the DPI is telling us only to look for short trades. So now I'm going to place my stop loss and take profit. All right, I've got them placed, my stop loss above here, my take profit down here, my entry. So what the case is, we're looking at the 1 minute time frame. So I'm only going for about 5 pips on this one. Well, there was a little bit of chop in the market, but we did get hit. Our take profit got hit fairly easily. There was a lot of kind of sideways stutter in the market, but we got $5,100 on the trade. Entry was here. Our stop loss was up here. Price did pull back a little bit, but not very close to our stop loss. We were safe. Take profit here. It got hit, and it was a good trade. I mean, all the other indicators did tell us that we needed to keep looking short. We got our profits. It was a good trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.